Today in the mail, I received a package from Tocad America. They are the people who warranty Sunpak. And this is when I bought this is my broken tripod. The arm to raise this thing was broken out of the box, and I contacted Tocad. Doesn't say anywhere on here, but surprisingly, it got delivered after a week of me contacting them, a week or 2 weeks, and they sent me two. Not sure why they sent me two, but it's still awesome. So I just want to thank Tocad for living up to their, I think it's a lifetime warranty, made in China, but warranty is lifetime limited. So I'll install this. I guess they gave me an upgraded one. This one has a bigger handle over here. This one goes with the original one. Either way, it was nice of them to send it quickly. I wasn't sure if they're going to warranty it, but they did warranty it, and they're quick and professional about it. So just wanted to thank them again. Thank you, Tocad and Sunpak. So far, this is holding up fine.